welcome to my vlog, Kino Good Vibes Only. It's going to be my dad's birthday, so we decided to do a Filipino Boodle Fight. It's basically a lunch or dinner that is usually served when you're in the beach or when you're in the farm, and you eat with your hands. Not that you can use your feet to eat. If I'm not mistaken, soldiers started this Boodle Fight thing. I don't know why they call it Boodle Fight. Maybe because you don't really have a plate and everyone can eat everything on the table. So if you're hungry, you're gonna have to fight for it. My very first experience of Boodle Fight is not really exactly Boodle Fight. It's more like a sensitivity training in Philippine Red Cross with my schoolmates. And what they did is they have all the food on the table, but there's this instructor at the head of the table telling you what to do. And he's gonna be passing dishes to everyone across the table, and you're gonna have to eat whatever they pass to you. And then at the end of the meal, the instructor suddenly mixed everything all together, the savory ones with the sweet ones, with fish sauce and everything, and then you're just gonna have to eat all of it together. But as I've said before, that's a sensitivity training. But this one, the really normal Boodle Fight is you just eat typical Filipino food, and we're gonna show you how we do it. So for this Boodle Fight, we are going to buy almost everything that we need. I ordered Filipino lechon. I ordered a lechon, a suckling pig, a roasted suckling pig in Sun Wah Bbq downtown, and then we stopped by Seafood City for some fried seafood. What we are gonna be cooking is just a couple of things. I thought I should make like a very simple Laing, and I have a couple of bottles of Buro, which is a fermented fish or shrimp with rice. It's very much like it's probably an ancestor of Nara sushi.
Magkakamay ka ba, Maxim?
Nara sushi is probably the very first sushi where they preserve the fish using rice and salt.
Maasim ba yung buro? Maasim yung buro eh.
So my dad's gonna show you how to use your hands. So you basically put everything together on your table, you press it down, and then you take it up, and then you push it with your thumb.
Ituro mo kung paano magkamay sa kamayan style. Kunwari, ayan. Tapos, buka ng rice.
Gusto mo pa ba ng kanin, Kevin? Ako? Ano mo yan?
Oh my God, so scary.
The line that we made is made of dried Taro Leaves. It's probably another way of preserving food in the Philippines. Many moons ago, when we don't have refrigeration, and it's not unique to the Philippines. A lot of countries in Asia dry their vegetables for food preservation as well. So what we did is we just saute. Oh, actually, you don't need to saute. The most traditional way of making laing is you boil coconut milk, ginger, garlic, onions, your protein. But I didn't put any protein because we have lechon, and that's basically it. And the salt for this one, I use some fermented shrimp paste. the red fermented shrimp paste and the sauteed shrimp paste. Traditionally, this is also made with a lot of red chilies, but my family, they don't really like spicy food, so I took out the red chilies, and most of the time they cook this with fish or meat. Also, another popular condiment with Boodle Fight is a small tomato salad, which is just tomatoes, salted duck egg, and if you have it, crunchy green mangoes. But we don't have that in our Filipino grocery store in Seafood City. The green mangoes that they have right now is kind of ripe, so I didn't get it.
Makain mo si Maxim ng Laing?
Ay, nakinain niya ako. Gusto niya ng kulay, tsaka yung...
I'm going to have a bunch of recipes in my description box down below if you want to know the recipes and how I made the laing and how I cooked the buro.
Pwede naman ano bang order niyo?
Sabi ko kasi Philippine style.
Philippine style yan.
Binigay sa atin yun, Hong Kong style.
Masarap na yung Hong Kong style na, crunchy.
Ito, gusto niya Maxim. Oh, nakangiti eh.
Ano?
Sila?
Binili nila sa Fresh Farm, dyan sa tapat. Ay, saan ba yun? Yung Fresh Farm na grocery store.
May ganito doon? Sa fresh farms daw.
I'm actually using my new MacBook to edit this video that you're watching right now, and it's so much responsive. I can run a lot of programs at the same time and it's not lagging. My other one is lagging a little bit. I love having a few MacBook Pros at the same time, just in case the other one broke or something unexpected happens. I'm probably in Guam by the time this video comes out, or maybe after I come back, after I flew back from Guam. I might be able to upload this before or after my break, because it's been exhausting at work, and I need to do a little bit of a hard reset. So I'm gonna be needing a lot of alone time, and that's why I'm gonna be going to Guam for at least a week. Yeah, I work in healthcare, and we were just hit with a lot of COVID patients, and we don't have enough staffing. Everyone's exhausted. You can tell. You don't even need to ask. You can tell everyone is physically, emotionally exhausted. That's why I'm super thankful for everyone who took all of their vaccines, and for everyone who are doing their part in wearing their masks, washing their hands every single time. Thank you so much. I also got my new toy, new cover, and it's plants. I love plants. I might be able to do a vlog. I might be able to record another vlog about plants, because I have a lot of babies. I have a lot of plant babies, and I'm really proud of them, and I'm gonna show you maybe how I take care of them and how I propagate. and all of that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and thank you so much. See you in the next vlog.